Side of the engine. We're gonna replace this real quick. It's a VVT solenoid. There's gaskets you can replace, but unfortunately I can only get them with the whole solenoid, so it's not a bad idea to replace it anyway.
There's 3 10mm bolts.
One there. Take those out. And the bolts are specific, so one is going to be longer than the other two. The longer one goes by itself up top there. Up top, gaskets. You got this metal plate. We're gonna have to get a little screwdriver in there and pry that out. You have another gasket under that we're gonna replace, and that one has a screen on it. So there's that other gasket. We'll get that out and replace this gasket. You just get a little pick, get in under it, around it, and pull it out. Get the metal sleeves out. The new one comes with them. If you don't have new ones, leave the old ones in. There's going to be one there and one down there. There's your new gasket with the screen. I'm going to put her in there. Push it down, get it all seated where it's supposed to be. Take your new metal cover, we'll put that over. Take these sleeves, put them back in. One goes in the top, one goes in the bottom left. So now you have them in there, and they're gonna hold this metal shield in place for you so it doesn't move all around when you go to put the next thing on. So now you have the solenoid, already has the gasket on it. Slide that in there. I'm gonna need 2 hands because I'm gonna have to move this wiring harness out of the way to get this in there. We're gonna slide it in, get it over them sleeves, and then we're gonna bolt it down. Oh, I actually got it. All right. New solenoid came with new bolts. Long one goes in the top, short ones go in the 2 bottom holes. I'll tighten them down. Then we're going to get some torque specs since there's a gasket in there. So your torque range to 6 pound-feet. Get them all torqued. Just on the one. Okay, that's it. Alright, I'll plug that back in, run the car, make sure it doesn't leak. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe.